Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zaid Mohtar. I will first presented in group 3. I want to discuss about the solving engineering problem in electrical circuits, which is a thermistor. First, our introduction. Thermistor are the temperature measurement equipment. Its material show a change in electrical resistance with a charge change in temperature. By measuring the resistor of the thermistor, one can then establish the temperature. And then to determine the resistor, we use two different methods, which is Secant method and Newton method, to find the root of the equation. Next, the problem statement. The solution given from the resource from the journal is using the bisection method. So we need to prove by using another two method, which is Secant method and Newton method. Next, our objective is to measure change of temperature on thermistor by determining the value of resistor. And second, suitable method in finding the root equation to find the resistor value with less of error. And the resource, our journal we get from ijraset.com, International Journal for Research in Applied Science and Engineering Technology. Second, the journal already give the value of maximum and minimum temperature of, and the resistor was given. Then third, last, it just a sample on how to define a root equation of the resistance to determine the temperature of resistor on thermistor.
Hello everyone, my name is Andy Paran, my metric number CE180019. Today I'm going to show you some example how to solve secant method in Excel. Secant method can define us by using the formula x equal AD minus BC over D minus C. From that, FR represent for equation from journal. So R represent for the root journal, which is 11,000 and 14,000. So all of these example of manual calculations, and move to Excel table. So our iteration is start from 0 until 10. To calculate iteration 2 of value x, from that, just using the formula secant method in Excel, the formula secant method type in like this. So for example, M9 and 10 and represent for the position, the value you want to calculate. For example, our position is in 11 nm. So, and also to calculate the value fx for iteration 2, just using the first value from x iteration 2 and insert the value x of iteration 2 to equation journals, the formula journal from journal, for example fr. So you get the answer like this. And also the formula in Excel, just type like this. As you can see, the M11, the blue colors represent for the position, the value you want to calculate. And finally is iteration 10. The approximate value for secant method is negative 3.478966333. So to calculate value x and fx for iteration 0 until 10, I think just recall the step and step like this. And that's all. Thank you.
Okay, so now I will present about how to measure resistance of thermistor by using Newton-Raphson method. Okay, from the reference, we get the equation uh, for the fx, and for using this Newton-Raphson method, we need to differentiate the equation, uh, because we will need fx and f prime x to calculate the value of x. So this is the value of x. X is equal to x minus fx over f prime x. So as you can see, this is the Newton-Raphson method that I already done. Okay, so in this method, first we will choose 11,000 ohms resistor, because it is the most positive compared to 14,000. So we will replace the value of R with 11,000, and we will get this value. After that, we repeat the same thing to the f prime x, and we will get this answer. Uh, for, so in this equation, we will get only one irritation, because the value of fr are already less than 0.05, which means the most positive fr are 11,000. So the compared to the bisection and second method, this method are simple than both of the method that we use in this assignment. Okay, so thank you.
For the conclusion, first, we already tried 3 methods, include the bisection method, and the result is we choose is Newton-Raphson as the best method because less error than the other methods. Second, this task increase our understanding about these 3 methods, and we can see advantages and disadvantages of each method that we use. And the last, at the end of this project, we will know on how to check the resistor to measure the temperature thermistor and practical it in our life. That's all. Thank you.